Hey, what's up guys, my name is Kai. Let me ask you a question real quick. What is the longest exposure you've ever taken with a camera? 2 hours? 8 hours? Someone have taken for 48 hours? Well, for me personally, the longest I've ever taken is 1 minute. So there's nothing to compare to. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a picture that has an exposure of 8 years. 8 years. So you might be wondering, how does this photo even look like? Is it even possible to expose an image for 8 years? Well, here's the photo. So what exactly is this photo? Well, actually, this is an image of a full 2,953 trails of the sun, aka a solargraph. This image is taken by a fine art student named Regina. The way she took this image is that she made a pinhole camera. So as far as I know, a pinhole camera is one of the oldest type of camera. The way she made it is she took a empty canned beer, she poked a little hole in it, and she took a light sensitive photographic paper and just put it in. Then she attached this camera to a telescope dome. But apparently she kept failing. She tried it multiple times, and every time the film would just keep curling up in the can because it's too humid. So the last time she did it, she just left it there and she just completely forgot about it. 8 years later, one day she just decided to check the image, and it was actually the only time that she succeeded. So that's how this image was made. You know, it's just insane thinking about this image have been absorbing light for the past 8 years. It's just crazy. If I were her, I would be so proud of myself. You know, if I hear someone bragging that they took an image with a 24 hours of exposure, I'd be coming out like, hold my beer, you know, because took the image with a beer can. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the story of this image. I find it very interesting because it is not a very artistic image, but the story and the way that this image is taken is art itself. So yeah, that's what I thought, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.